we are promoting Marikina shoes. Usually, ni-invite kami for Panagbenga Fest para i-promote yung products namin from Marikina. And maganda yung sales actually since festival siya. So marami kaming nakukuhang customers and maganda for our business. So every year talagang sumasali kami for Panagbenga Fest to promote our products in Marikina.
Taon-taon po kaming sumasali dito sa Session Road in Bloom. Siguro po mga 10 years, mahigit na po. Mga products namin, kabanatuan, longganisa like garlic, batutay, skinless, hamonado. Tsaka meron pa kami mga ibang products na tocino, binabad, beef tapa, tsaka po mga bagnet. Every year, yung mga suki namin pabalik-balik sila na bumibili. Tsaka nadadagdagan yung mga bago naming suki.
First time here, like first time experiencing Session in Bloom. It's been super nice, super fun. Parang, especially since I'm from Manila originally, I've lived there for my entire life. Parang everything is so cheap here. So it's really nice na like getting to buy, getting to see everything, to see everything that they have, especially with the local artists. Then like I just bought this recently, yung earrings, and it's very like I loved it so much. So it's been really fun going around and just seeing everything. So yeah.
Yeah, because I've been here since, anong year ako nandito? 2022, so this is about my third or second Panagbenga, and it's nice to see how the changes every year, kung ilan yung mga nagtitinda, kung ano yung mga products nila, and it's really nice always to see yung mga local artists all the time, and yung effort na nila nilalagay sa yung mga products nila, yung mga arts nila.